How to turn on sound amplifier for improved audio clarity. Hello everyone, welcome to another video. Today in this video, I will teach you on how to turn on sound amplifier for improved audio clarity. So now let's get started. To enable sound amplifier, all you need to do is, first of all, open the settings app on your device. Now navigate to accessibility. Tap on Hearing Enhancements. Now select Amplify Ambient Sound and toggle on the switch. Once enabled, you can set the amplification level to your preferences. For the best experience, connect headphones or earbuds. Now that sound amplifier is active, it will enhance sounds in your environment, making audio clearer. This feature is particularly beneficial for individuals with hearing impairments, helping them better understand their surroundings. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one.